Ebusuafo ma mema wo akwaba eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesrel like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ade baako a mimidwi nwan ya I couldn't understand. Drebio. When I saw Miami Bra Okuje to Ablakwa, ewo Ashanti Region. Now Obisa Ashanti say, what have they gotten from loyalty? What have they gotten from loyalty to NPP? I me join me ntiase. Enti I me de say nkrofo bebre sisi. Yen nuanom a mo free Ashanti region. They are beginning to visit Volta region. Yeah. Because conversation bi a mako akopie who TikTok na kire say nkrofo bi akọ Volta region they have gone around it, they have seen especially Okuje to Ablakwa in the constituency. Enough tone. How his constituency looks like. Dejected. Okujeto's constituency, I think if not the poorest, one of the poorest of Volta region. Now, when you take Volta region, Miami region, most of the monumental development of Volta region, they were carried out, and I said they were implemented when NPP was in power, under Kufuor or under Akufo-Addo. Roads were so bad to the extent, say, the former president Jerry John Rawlings was traveling, had to get down and watch the road. It's like, what is this? He had to call Akufo-Addo and plead with Akufo-Addo. And Akufo-Addo did it. Akufo-Addo indeed did it. That is it. And so I couldn't even. How did Ashanti region, N0nsɛnsɛ, how did you fall prey to Okuje to Ablakwa? Volta region, 2024 election, according to result, Volta region ma NDC 91%. 91% of all the votes of Volta region gone to NDC. But Bisami say 1 year, almost 6 months. What does the voter have to show for? Nothing. Nothing. They've not done anything of Volta region now make you feel happy. Say, this is a region that has voted for a party to come to power. Nothing. And I'm not surprised. Say, Oba Volta region, ahifofo mbwe fu. Yeah, mbwe fu amkasa. Ahifofo. And as a way of maybe making them quiet, shutting them up, I think that is the reason why NDC is trying to say chiefs, remuneration. I think paramount chiefs increasing by 300%. But you know here, and you know kwan here. You know kwan here. Beside that one, how about the rest? Cocoa farmers amuntu amuka, railway farmers, railways worker amu, next amuntu amuka, teachers the same thing. Those are the essential aspects must be addressed. And the voter region is not in as if after voting for NDC overwhelmingly the way we do, we have anything to show for. And I say we have anything to be proud of. Say NDC has done this for voter region and has not done it for other regions yet. No, nothing. And I'm sure say the story is basically the same. The story is basically the same. And those of you who know the northern part of Ghana, Pachomucho or comment section. Can the northern part of Ghana have anything to show for the loyalty to NDC over time? Nothing. For the North to get an interchanger, it took MPP. For not the northern region of Ghana to have an interchange. In fact, over Volta region, there is no single interchange in Volta region. The entirety of the region, 18 constituencies, not a single one interchange. Don't we need interchanges? We do. We do. And yes, you know, not MPP. Now more interchange over Ashanti region. And there are a lot of interchanges in Ashanti region, by the way. But I mean, so I'm talking about the Swami one particularly. And this if by almost Swami is not worth a 3-tier interchange. One may be sir, Ashanti for say, what do you get from voting for MPP? That's what they did. I don't so kwanya MPP na. Charlie, so with time we'll show you some of the videos from Okujeto conferences and all those things. We'll unveil things to you so that you get to realize, Charlie, on my webco enema, MPP is the only one that has any viable plan for this country. It's only MPP. Ebusian for still, Epamucho Mumboy na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations, no. Number on our screen is with me boy right? Kindly help us as we do it, and we'll be proud. We will be proud of how far we have come as a family.
To understand that on this platform, if you want to speak, you have to get all your facts ready. This is not a serial calling platform where you can just come and say whatever you want to say and you move forward. Trust, you are telling the MPP member listening to me that you have to be angry. And you have to be really, really angry and fuming that we allowed the NDC to come to Ashanti region to tell us that the MPP has done absolutely nothing for us. Nothing. And so because of that, we didn't vote. Now, on the other side of the coin, the Volta region voted 91% for the NDC. On top of that, 18 seats, 18 seats, all of them to the NDC. 47 seats in Ashanti region. Trust, as I speak, NDC is having 8 seats in Ashanti region. 8. And the MPP is just having 38 seats. Now, 16 months into office, John Dramani Mahamad's administration, nothing going on in Volta region. Absolutely nothing. And we have said it and we are saying it again, that Volta region is one of the regions that is putting Ghana on the map as the poorest country in the world. Volta region. Yet, they vote massively for the NDC. These are facts. And so moving into 2028 general elections, we are telling the people of Ashanti region that, oh yes, we also deserve better. We deserve better. And so all of us, we are going to vote massively for the NPP. Massively. And then the 47 constituencies in Ashanti region, don't dare try. If a man should die, man will die one. And if there's a bullet that will kill, it's just one bullet. Then all of us will die. The Volta region can have 18 seats for the NDC. Why not the Ashanti region giving 47 seats to the MPP? Why not? Why not? And so that is what we are stating. We are trying to do comparison. We are comparing the Volta region to Ashanti region, and we are saying that what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. We are not angry enough, the MPP supporters. We are not angry enough. And so please, I think I would end here. I think those are the facts. I've made the facts bare. And if you want to challenge, you challenge with facts. You don't speak like I said. You don't have to.
It's not facts. I don't.
All right. So if you let me finish, you can ask question. I'm ending here. Trust. And I'm telling that the MPP member listening to me here now, you should be angry. You should be angry with yourself. You should be angry with your family. You should be angry that we allow these sycophants to come into our land, into our premises, to tell us that the MPP has done absolutely nothing for us. Whereas the region that voted for them is lacking every single thing that makes a human being live. They lack quality roads, they lack quality education, they lack quality food, they lack quality water, they lack every single thing that makes a human being survive. They lack. Yet, they voted massively for them. And so why not us?
Any Oman chichiriye. Oman kan kone da chinchilima. En eye dienti. Ena emma ye prese ye beto abase de beya. Ye beya kanifo senka. Onim de ni onyansa o chedi ampo nyankopon basa yi adom. Odom ankoba nyankopon bo wode ma wo mo no. Aka omo de aba beboa. Se de beya nchirima nso enwo enkokyere wo munti. Sansan campaign ne sabi ye pa ebe hunu nti ane ye kyekere boa. Na wo wese de na niam esi efa ekọ no a. Na ye nim se enkofo bi ekasa na na odwene oman ne ho nti ene na okasa nti na ye nyina ye nim se sabi anka dokuna eto ahye de okwase nim se aben. Kame akwa ti se ene no dokuna eto ahye no sa obebie mu no na emu no eye mu no na emu no ya mfansuo enwu that say no ase eno nti na dokunu no eto no ahye ede na mbesa meka se wo hwe nsam a Sam George then opposition time no what one mu na all kan wo hwe sade na wo si kasa atemdidie ayampia to efun a na all kan ede kire eye de MPP administrative na yenim se nkono de nka oba sabi enka nia ono no osompafe no enka onkobra wuwo nanso saa ye ne de Sam George na nka samom na kuta wuwo no ono asa benya the nerves the gas the audacity say ono no obi anim ne credibility say ono Sam George wote wono mu no onye obi a wo proye ene kankan ene dream die ewo ne ho na wo credible what is say bra penefo se mi se wutiri mu ye fita tiri mu aboa enku ananka ye pa afase na se pra wate awada ma woni ma afase bayre bayre
what I am nya ne friend what I am
yes
we
Asiopra oni sa bayre no ochiri na chiwade no it is a paisa bayre na se obi bayre sa obi what I am na so bi afase na ayera necessary or paya Asiopra ko gina mu kwa na paisa bayre na ote awada because onu ochiri ena nka me se bi asese 20 paya dura se koto de nkomusa ne bo ama ode we kwaso me ase di ko na wosre o se koto woti koto ni tire it is a paiti paya dura abo koto nka wono no nka won omusa ne bo no bo say bo e de na mobisa it is Sam George so officer wonya corrupt there adan wa hase rant na wo kansem na wo wana kire wo say wo wonya corrupt wo ka se Ghana for ye jimi wo hu wa adwen wo se Ghana for ro ye nim de free form ne de akosoro na nsu awura ehwini makogu etiri mu it you can use your wo Sam George sabi wo gina wo numi wo so wonim nyansa wo entefufo we se atesa wo entefufo atesa wo gina wo bi so num nyansa na wo Sam George wo body even your appearance wo nantie kura na wo di AP repemu no it talks about who the person you are wo nantie kura kire wo ni pesu a wo ye akola kura wo nim kwa hu nantie sa wo Sam George o ba be ma pa te sa wo pa nantie jem asa na ntwa wate praka wo nyansa no do wo henefa unim de pa wo sa wo to no mi na wo timi di ekufuado atem ekufuado nim di fo nyansafo badwemba a ne se eni ni bobra a ɔno ne sin ne wɔfa ɛne wɔn eti ɛda Ghana sika soɔ a sɛbi wɔwɔ te wɔn mu wɔn fie busuani bie no wɔn mu a nim deɛ bɛtumi yɛka wɔn busuafoɔ nyinaa bom ɛdo papa no maame no wɔka nyinaa ka ho a wɔn nyansa emu kɔtakora nto Akufo-Addo ɛyɛ sam Akufo-Addo ɛfa Akufo-Addo busuafoɔ ɛgyina wɔn even Akufo-Addo ma emu deɛ yɛn na wɔ Sam George wɔn ni mo nyam bɛtumi ato na wɔtumi nya ɔte wɔn tɔhwɛ wɔn ti wɔyɛ kɛbi akyerɛ wɔyɛ wɔya wafo ayɛ yere sɛ bɔ photo ɛde ato anwa mu eti no wa bɛ didi wo ɛhaw you see ama ɔman wɔ ayɛ ti mu no ɔhu sɛbi deɛ mɛdi nka aka kyerɛ Ghana fo nyinaa sɛ den time no ana NDC fo MPP fo yɛ akrakye fo a yɛn na akɔyɛ book no ɛnɛ Gen Z yɛ abɛyɛ o yɛn no yɛnim book ni because yɛwu sɛ bɔkata mu na momo sɛ na wo Sam George de wo yɛ Ghana ha hwɛ o politician no ɔbɛbrɛ te sɛ wo da because even your entire generation will suffer from one kasa won kwase asem any won sem no edi ama ye to about 2024 collection centers ye hunu niema Sam George we say eyeye all because now person ba power na kai ni say ka wo ba ye no se na wo si di eyeye maame Ezra Akufo ayatem no ni say ka wo ba communication sector one no enka ebeye very 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 good ama the ordinary Ghanaian timi enya benefit and ye to data say me first let me tell data 3 CDs bundle 3 CDs make me use sanensa I am telling you don't size me I'm being honest because I will be a data na boy say data na boy dey na say wo dey also boy make jam say me boy wo dey na boy say sa giga kesi na boy say and na me kuta me sikampo ama de ya ne say me kuta me sikam me kwakwa ya gig no me ya gig na ne ka che me say de me ye me ntimi sa anya biem mimi timi sa anya biemu akwase amaji sika wo maame no papa ho no mu mimi mako bre ma ye madwuma manya msika sa bo de besa me boka watoto ade ni watu mu bo wo de maame nkoto bi me to data no bi mi wie gegre bi ye mse koto foforo a yes de wo to ensa wo to e bia 10 series ana wo to e bia 20 series ana 50 series a wo timi sa anya 50 series je se be wonya besa 20 series
o pese o BT system no na anfa o pese o BT system anya ye otom why you want to buy
dabi ama me ti wonu hwe me makoto maami oton waache okwa ahun na mekoto waache me kwa makoto waache 15 anasa 30 cedis ana mabedi na me se ansome me sa pe 30 cedis anasa 40 cedis aka ho a wosia untumi nya 30 me have to waache ne bi nso wom enya ko no nya bo
o dia no pese o gina ho ana o to waache is waache 20 cedis na abeta o pese wa shada pese o to 10 cedis 2 na abeka bo mu aye kese
ama ma asam ne se me to 10 cedis 2 se me to 10 cedis 5 no me kambo mu a ni nyina na enye sika na me de ma wo enye sika oh say what say a communication sector one mu e ba ene wo ko jina ka kira me atia say wo ba asade en telcos no enti ene the way enema esi ekoye na first the entia e ma enema say ne the previous administrative no eno na mo anya munyuma ye okwasia ama he me say eni bi say Sam George ohun enimguase obagire Ghana ha se ni sankofo sa same fo no enimguase pa beto wo mo pa no and also say skin light here on kasa bi emu ekwa unia ama unia mema no on kasa bi emu skin light